Life in 2026 is expensive. There's no sugarcoating it. The cost of rent, groceries, tuition, and even your streaming subscriptions keeps climbing. It's easy to feel like you're stuck in a holding pattern, waiting for graduation, waiting for the right job, waiting for the perfect moment to start building the life you actually want. But here's a truth that can change everything. The right time is a myth. The perfect moment is now. You don't need to wait for permission or a diploma to start taking control of your financial future. This year, right now, you can launch a legitimate side hustle using just the tools you already have, your laptop and your phone. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 powerful, modern side hustles that are perfectly suited for students in 2026. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require no upfront cash investment and no fancy degree. All they demand is your time, your consistency, and a willingness to learn. Let's get started. Side hustle. Number 1. AI affiliate marketing with TikTok Shop. This is one of the most accessible entry points into e-commerce, and it's exploding right now. The concept is simple. You promote other people's products, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The beauty of this model is that you handle zero inventory. You don't need a website, and you never have to deal with customer service or shipping. You are purely a marketer, a digital bridge connecting a product to a buyer. Your job is to create short, engaging videos about products that people are already searching for and wanting to buy. When they click your link and make a purchase, you get paid. It's a clean, straightforward system that rewards creativity and consistency. So, what's the 2026 edge? How do you stand out? The answer is leveraging AI to create faceless content at scale. Tools like HeyGen, Pika, or Runway allow you to generate high-quality video reviews and demonstrations without ever showing your face. You can use AI-generated avatars, slick animations, or simply combine stock footage with compelling text and a voiceover. This is a game changer because it removes the biggest bottleneck for most creators: filming. You can batch create dozens of videos in the time it would take to film 1 or 2 yourself. The strategy is to post 3 to 5 of these short clips every single day. Find trending products within a niche, like dorm room gadgets, sustainable fashion, or fitness accessories, and link them directly in your TikTok shop. Your scripts don't need to be complicated. A simple, effective formula is a listicle. For example, 3 dorm gadgets that will save you 10 hours of studying a week. Or, the top 5 Amazon finds under $20 that every student needs. You provide the idea and the basic script, and the AI handles the on-screen hosting and visuals. This system allows you to scale your output massively. While others are spending hours on lighting and editing, you're testing new products, analyzing data, and doubling down on what works. Your initial goal should be tangible. Aim for your first $1,000 month. This isn't about one viral video. It's about building a system. Stay consistent with your posting schedule, test new products and video styles quickly, and pay close attention to your analytics. Which videos get the most views? Which products get the most clicks? Your data becomes your roadmap to profitability. Double down on the winners and cut the losers. Number 2. Remote sales with AI CRM tools. If you're a good communicator, this is for you. Forget the old stereotype of the pushy car salesman. Modern sales, especially in the B2B tech world, is about consultation and problem solving. Companies of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500s, are desperate for people who can help them start conversations with potential clients. They hire beginners for roles often called sales development representative or business development representative. Your job isn't to close the deal, it's to book the initial meeting. The demand is incredibly high, and the best part is, these roles are almost always fully remote. The secret weapon here is the suite of AI-powered sales tools. Platforms like Apollo.io, Clay, and HubSpot's AI features are your unfair advantage. You can use them to build hyper-targeted lists of ideal buyers, enrich that data with relevant information, and then craft personalized outreach emails and LinkedIn messages at scale. You can even use a tool like Loom to record a quick, personalized video walkthrough of their website, pointing out an area where your client's service could help. This level of smart, personalized outreach is what gets responses. You can realistically book qualified meetings for your clients in just 10 to 15 hours a week. The compensation structure is incredibly motivating. You typically get a base monthly retainer, say $500 or $1,000, plus a handsome bonus for every qualified meeting you book, which can range from $100 to $500 or more. Land just a few meetings a month, and you're looking at a significant income stream. More importantly, sales is a compounding life skill. Once you learn how to communicate value, handle objections, and build relationships, you can apply that skill to any industry, any business, or even your own future ventures. You learn it once, and you can earn from it forever. Number 3. Faceless short-form content creation. Every creator, coach, and brand knows they need to be posting short-form video content daily on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. But most of them lack the time or skill to do it consistently. That's where you come in. You can become their outsourced content engine, turning their existing long-form content, like podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, or even blog posts, into a steady stream of engaging daily clips. You are the silent partner who makes them look like a prolific content machine. Again, AI is your superpower. Tools like Opus Clip and Vizard AI can analyze an hour-long podcast and automatically identify the most viral moments, then reframe and clip them into vertical videos. From there, you take those raw clips into an editor like CapCut. You use its AI features to generate dynamic, attention-grabbing captions, add compelling hooks in the first 3 seconds, improve the pacing with smart cuts, and add relevant B-roll or graphics. Your job is to hook the viewer instantly and deliver value quickly. The goal is to create a system that allows you to produce high-quality content for your clients every single day. If these 2026 side hustles are opening your eyes, wait till you hear number 5. That one's changing lives this year. But hey, if you're getting value so far, hit that like button. It helps this video reach more people chasing the same dream. Don't charge by the hour. Sell monthly retainer packages. For example, a starter package might be $1,000 for 20 high-quality, ready-to-post videos per month. A more advanced package could be $2,000 for 40 videos. With these lean, AI-assisted workflows, you can easily handle multiple clients. Landing just 2 or 3 clients at this rate puts you at $2,000 to $3,000 a month in predictable, recurring revenue, all for a service that is in extremely high demand. Number 4. AI-assisted writing and script creation. The demand for written content is not going away. It's just changing. Businesses need blog posts for SEO, YouTube scripts for their videos, email newsletters to nurture their audience, and ad copy that converts. The problem is, good writing is slow, but pure AI writing often lacks soul and strategic insight. The opportunity lies in the middle. You can position yourself as an AI-assisted writer, pairing your human creativity and storytelling ability with the incredible speed and efficiency of AI. Here's the workflow. A client gives you a rough topic or a messy brain dump of ideas. You use an AI writing assistant like Jasper, Copy.ai, or even advanced models like Claude 3 to structure those ideas. Generate a first draft, conduct research, and optimize for keywords. Then, your human touch comes in. You refine the tone, inject personality, add compelling stories or analogies, and ensure the final piece aligns perfectly with the client's brand and goals. You can start by offering your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or by reaching out to potential clients on LinkedIn. Offer a small paid trial project for $50 or $100 to prove your value. When you deliver high-quality, on-brand, SEO smart content faster than anyone else, those trial gigs quickly turn into $1,000 a month retainers. Number 5. Build a personal brand. This isn't a direct side hustle like the others. It's a meta hustle. It's the foundation upon which all other income streams can be built, and it's the one with the highest potential long-term upside. The concept is to build a brand around your name and your journey. You pick one of the hustles we've discussed, or any other skill you're learning, and you document the process. You share your wins, your failures, your lessons, and your insights on a platform like X, LinkedIn, YouTube, or a personal blog. Over time, your name itself becomes your business. At first, you won't make any money. You're building an asset, audience trust. But as your audience grows, monetization opportunities will appear organically. You can monetize with affiliate links for the tools you use and recommend. Brands will pay you for sponsorships. People will pay you for one-on-one coaching or consulting. Eventually, you can package your knowledge into digital products like ebooks or templates and build a paid community. The key is trust and consistency. By showing up and providing value every day, you build a relationship with your audience that creates outsized, asymmetrical opportunities down the line. Number 6. Online coaching and digital courses. You don't need to be the world's foremost expert to teach something. You just need to be 2 steps ahead of the people you're helping. Think about what you know that others want to learn. Are you great at a particular video game? Do you know how to use the AI tools we've been talking about? Can you speak another language? Are you a productivity wizard who has mastered Notion? There is a market for almost any skill you can imagine, from fitness and nutrition to academic subjects and digital skills. The best way to start is small and direct. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions or small group workshops via Zoom. This allows you to work directly with your first students, understand their biggest pain points, and refine your teaching method. Charge a fair price for your time. As you conduct these live sessions, record them. Once you've run a few cohorts, you'll have a wealth of recorded material and a proven curriculum. You can then package those recordings, along with some cheat sheets and templates, into a self-paced mini course on a platform like Kajabi, Teachable, or Gumroad. Always collect testimonials and case studies from your successful students. This social proof is the fuel that will help you scale from one-on-one coaching to selling a course to hundreds or thousands of people. And finally, number 7, build and monetize a paid community. At our core, humans have a deep-seated desire to belong. We want to connect with like-minded people who share our goals and interests. You can facilitate this by building a niche community. This could be a community for students learning to code, for young entrepreneurs starting their first business, or for fans of a specific book series. You can host this community on a platform like Discord, Circle, or School, and become the leader and curator of your chosen niche. The key to a successful community is delivering consistent value. This doesn't have to be complicated. It can be a weekly live Q&A call, a monthly expert workshop, a curated list of resources, or simply facilitating daily conversations and study groups. Once you've built an engaged free community, you can introduce a premium, paid tier. For a modest fee like $10 or $20 a month, members get access to exclusive content, direct access to you, and a more tight-knit network. The math is compelling. 100 members paying $20 a month is $2,000 in predictable, recurring revenue. This model allows you to build a scalable business around connection and shared growth. So let's do a quick recap. We've covered AI affiliate marketing, remote sales with AI, faceless short-form content, AI-assisted writing, building a personal brand, online coaching, and monetizing a community. It's a lot, I know, and it can be tempting to try and do a little bit of everything. But that is the fastest path to failure. The secret is to pick one, just one, the one that excites you the most, the one that best fits your current skills and interests. And then commit to it. Give it an honest, focused effort for the next 90 days. Why 90 days? Because it's the perfect time frame. It's long enough to push through the initial learning curve and see real results, but short enough to feel manageable. 90 days is enough time to land your first client, make your first affiliate sale, or get your first 1,000 followers. It's enough time to build real, tangible momentum. You have the tools, you have the roadmap. The only variable left in the equation is you, your focus, your effort, your consistency. If this video provided you with some clarity and a path forward, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this. To help you get started, I've put together a completely free resource called the Creator Ecosystem Blueprint, which you can download using the link in the description below. It breaks down the tools and systems you need to get started. Remember, opportunity is not something you wait for. It's something you create. Your freedom year starts the moment you decide it does. It starts now. This channel isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about building real, sustainable income in 2026 and beyond. So if you're ready to take control of your time and money, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the movement.